Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this January 2003 Aston Martin Vanquish. Let's take a look around the car. It's such a handsome vehicle. This colour's Chiltern green, which is a beautiful metallic that is very, very period for the Vanquish. Just taking in all those lines because it is a real brute of a car. Now, amazingly, this was supplied by us back in 2003, and we have looked after it ever since. So its service history is all with HWM Aston Martin. What a rare find. The paintwork is in beautiful condition. There's the odd tiny chip here and there, but in general, it's absolutely fantastic. Hopefully you can see that from the video. And these wheels, again, really good condition. If I was to pick a fault, I think we're going to need to replace the centre caps on the wheels, but that's a very easy job, and it's a common issue with them. But again, look at these lines. What a stunning car. Coming round to the rear, Vanquish has a fantastic exhaust note. It's such an incredible sound from those dual exhausts and that naturally aspirated V12. Again, can't fault the paintwork here. Beautiful condition. Reverse parking sensors in the bumpers there. It's a factory option. Let me pop the boot and we can have a look inside. So this has got an overmat here, so that goes over the standard mat. That's clearly been loved. If I just scroll out a bit, it's a really good sized boot. Now this car has got, you can just see it through the window, the Lin stereo upgrade, which is an incredible sound system. You can see this colossal amp in the boot. Doesn't really impinge on boot space too much. Other bits we can see is the CD for the sat nav. I love the fact that a car of this era has got a battery off switch and then the plug to charge the battery. Bit of storage space in the cargo net there, and then a CD changer on the left hand side, but a beautifully finished boot space. Okay, let's shut that boot. Full of beautiful details and touches, this car. Let's take a look inside. Oh, the only other thing I should point out, optional extra wise on the exterior, is the Stoneguards, which thankfully have pretty much stopped any stone chipping up the side of the car. They're really useful. And this is an era where a heated screen was optional extra. And if anybody's used a heated screen, they'll know just how useful they are. So, interior-wise, we have forest green uppers on the dashboard and parchment main interior combination. Again, with a light headlining too. The dark dashboard is really important because, of course, that stops reflection through the screen. Again, all of the subtle Aston Martin detailing is just lovely throughout the cabin, and you can just see speakers and tweeters everywhere on the car. So they're fully electric seats, both sides. Believe it or not, that is the sat-nav system. So it won't be winning any awards. It's rather amusing, but it does work. It does do the job. And naturally climate control and heated seats. And these seats are so comfortable. They're brilliant for a long journey. Very comfortable place to be. It's such a lovely sporty GT car. Now, gearbox wise, so it is a single clutch paddle shift with the controls in the centre. This is not a car that you drive as an automatic. This is a car that you drive on the paddles, and if you drive it on the paddles, it's a delight. That is the way to drive it. Let's just have a look in the rear. So this is a 2+0, which I particularly love about the car. So the benefit of this is you could have rear seats in a Vanquish. They were an optional extra, but of course access to them was so tight, their actual size and usability was almost non-existent. So instead, with a 2+0, you get these rather cool luggage straps and some significant extra luggage space for a tour. So all of a sudden, you've got a car that if you're going to do a long European trip, you can actually pack a tremendous amount of stuff in. And that is what this car is made for. So there we have it, a stunning Aston Martin Vanquish that we have known since new, and a car that will be supplied with a 12-month Aston Martin warranty. Thank you for watching.